Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new POV in the Volkswagen Scirocco. It has been a while since I've done this, but I say that every POV anyway. A lot has changed from this car. I don't even think I did a POV with the tints on, the chameleon tint. You guys can see that. You can only really see it when you're facing up, when you're upwards, facing downwards, if that makes sense. We've got these new Dare wheels on with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. This puts down power like fucking no tomorrow. It is like Superman. We just got a blow-off valve installed, so you guys are gonna hear the monstrosity of it. Yeah, here is the car right now. Let's hop in. It's beautiful. The blow-off valve sounds incredible. I'm just fucking gassed with this car. Like every time I get in there, I'm just fucking buzzing. I'm absolutely buzzing. But let's hop in the car. What's changed in here? I actually don't know, to be honest. Nothing really. We've got an Alcantara steering wheel. It looks quite cheap, but it matches nicer with the Alcantara on the steering wheel. But yeah, anyway, let's open the windows up and let's hear the start. Ready? Lovely jubbly. Right then, guys, so just before we go thrashing down the road, I would like to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Curve. A lot of you guys already know this, but this is the Curve card. Curve is actually a smart wallet that combines your debit, credit, and loyalty cards all into one app and one MasterCard, which is shown right here. Very stylish as well. So for me, this Curve card is all I need when I go out. When I actually go out and I want to use my outing card, I just swipe over, tap, let it load, and now I can pay using that debit card. Crazy. Or if I want to pay with my Starling bank, I just click it, and now it will pay using my Starling account through this card. What? Now Curve is actually giving 1% cash back for every new user across an entire month for every single transaction. And I actually used this when I first joined Curve. And look at all the cash back I earned in the first month. Look at that, that's free money. Now you guys would especially want this coming up to Christmas. You can get 1% cash back off all of the Christmas presents for your family, friends. Now also using Curve, you can get extra cash back, up to 20% on things like Hertz or booking. It's also got this amazing feature called anti-embarrassment mode, and it's actually saved me a few times actually. If you haven't got enough money on the card that you're using through Curve, it will actually switch to another card so that the transaction goes through and it doesn't get declined in front of your whole family. Curve has actually been nice enough to give you guys a free $5 when you sign up and make your first transaction. So literally you get free money from joining Curve. So anyway guys, click the link in the description and get your Curve card today to a nice and simpler life, carrying just this card around. Anyway, back to the POV. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, so pretty much there's like fucking nobody about, which is lovely for us. We got 60 roads all over. We'll get up to speed in a little bit, but yeah, pretty much like I'm in fucking love with this car right now, guys. Trust me. We've got so much planned for it. Well, I've got so much planned for it. It's just obviously getting companies on board. We've literally got a company on board, DKU Performance, who are going to be doing the exhaust for us, and pretty much it is going to be incredible. Incredible. I've literally gave him basically the keys to my car, basically. Not literally, but like, you know, I basically gave him the keys to my car, and well, he's going to be designing the maddest exhaust system for it. It's going to be hopefully valved. I'm going to tell him that I want... Oh, I almost spilled it. We're going to leave it a mystery for you guys, but it'll be mad. It'll be mad. It'll be... You'll be able to see it. That's what I'm saying. It won't just be like a pipe under the car. You'll be able to see the fucker. So yeah, it'll be perfect. Like I say, we just kind of wing the cars, you know what I mean? We don't... It's a very slow process, and I honestly like it like that, because I feel like some YouTubers, they buy a car, sell it the next week, they're done with the project within like, you know, a month or something. No hate to that, it's nice. It switches up the content very quickly, but I obviously like going at my own pace, learning about cars, obviously. So yeah, I've actually took you guys to like some beautiful 60 roads, so we can actually experience the power, because I never really put my foot down in videos, but hopefully today we'll hit some really nice ones that I know, and we'll get up to speed, and I'll show you guys the power, because it is mad pig. This car was dynoed from Midlands Tuning Centre, stage 1 remap at 270 from 180. So many people like in the video, they've over exaggerated it, but literally I had a tuner sit in my car the other day, and well, from RTMG, and he said it's pretty accurate. It's probably around 270. Like an accurate figure, is it?
Yeah, it must be that. Must be there.
I've never sat in a 270 brake horsepower car. I stand by Midland Shooting Centre and all the companies I go to, but if I don't know what I'm talking about, I'm not gonna stand up for it. You know what I mean? So apparently, so the guy said it was literally probably around 270 brake horsepower. So yeah, big up Midland Shooting Centre. He said it was a good map. The guy. Watch how beautiful. I don't even think the tyres warmed up. 60, bitch. 0 to 60 so quick. That was a 0 to 60, but you guys see what I mean. Foot not all the way down. The car handles it beautifully. Beautifully. Bruv, this stage run remap is a madness. It feels like this car could handle so much more power. And this ain't a Scirocco R, for fuck's sake. I think maybe the Scirocco R might handle the power better. I don't know particularly why. You might have upgraded parts or something, but this shit feels amazing. Look at this. Jeez. Wait for this BMW to go, and then we're gonna head up there. Let's go. Listen to this valve. If only you guys could hear this in real life. It's fucking loud. It's crazy. And I think the blow-off valve helps the car, the turbo. So let me know about that again. Yeah, I think it helps the car or the turbo. I won't even fucking talk. I'll just let you guys appreciate the noise from this car. Shit. I don't know which way to go. These are beautiful. How do I not? I live like right next to these roads. These are crazy. There's a nice little landmark there. Shit in hell. This car is rapid. Fam, you know when they say pocket rocket? No fucking lie, this is a pocket rocket. I know people always are like, a rev up to red line, we never see rev up to red line. Fam, I literally, I don't want to kill myself for fuck's sake. Literally, I think revving up to red line, the power just, it is so, it's so fucking immense that like, I don't trust myself going up to redline in second, third gear. If I just kept going, I'd be in a bush right now. I mean, I was doing 60 the whole way, but I wasn't like toes screech around the corners. Listen. But, Jesus, yeah, if you don't feel comfortable going up to redline, you don't have to fucking go up. I might be a pussy for doing that, but like, this is a really fast car. People with faster cars, are you mad? Are you mad? I actually don't get how there's like cars that do that quicker than this. Like, does that not feel like your skin's gonna rip off, you know what I mean? This is quick. Lovely jubbly. The Scirocco's nice, comfortable car, noise cancellated. Really quiet in here. Fam, I feel like I should start playing classical music or some shit. I bet you in that Vauxhall fucking Insignia, is it, I don't fucking know, don't at me. I bet you it's like, I've done all of this fucking bits to it, and yet it's still quiet when I want it. If you're going 50 miles per hour, you drop it into 6th gear, and it's just, and the speakers are sick in here as well. I've been waking up drenched in sweat. Yeah, pretty lit. The bass in this, the Kenwood system not installed, fucking lit. I'm actually gonna buy another car for the channel, and it's gonna be a project car, so it's gonna be a cheap, shitty one, and it's gonna be my daily driver. So literally, I'll buy the car broken or with problems, and then I'll fix it hopefully. And then she did not even fucking look. What? Let's go this way. That motherfucker didn't even look at the roundabout. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a project car, and that is gonna be my daily drive because I put too many miles on this car for like a project, and I want to send this to space. And if we're putting on miles for no reason, pretty much. I know for this Scirocco I never do any of the work, so pretty much that's why I'm buying a second project car. First gear. Woo! Jeez, it's so reliable. How have I not got any warning lights on the dash already? To me, that is absolutely crazy how there's no warning lights. Hope, fingers crossed, knock on wood, there's no fucking wood in here. Wood. I knocked on my dick. I genuinely just don't get it. Like, how is like a computer, how is programming like a computer like changed it this much? Look at the doggy. Alright then guys, so unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's POV. I'm actually going to have to go get petrol soon. I know I'm like nowhere near it, but yeah, anyway guys, hopefully you guys are excited for the upcoming videos. We got Chloe's exhaust installation coming soon. I don't even know if I've even mentioned it, but we got Chloe's exhaust coming. We got my new exhaust coming in the new year. Just so much new shit coming, basically. I'm super gassed. But anyway, guys, follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff. Subscribe if you are new. And I'll see you faces in the next bridge ending. See you guys in my next video.